ask me because we're Asian. Fuck you, guy. He does that every time, and people still going to this shit. We need to stop going to this shit. Let him do his thing by himself.
Wow. Ça passe, mami, ça passe.
I am so fucking mad because I love that guy. Everywhere we go,
Fala monsieur directement, monsieur.
everywhere Ali goes, he start at 12:30.
So
everywhere.
I cannot
Don't
even-
tell me there's a problem of song.
Yeah, that's a problem. So, à quelle heure tu viens là?
I come here at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock. Okay. À quelle heure?
It start about like almost 1 o'clock.
Almost 1 o'clock?
Yeah.
And if you're not
Almost
there,
1 o'clock. And finish at 12 o'clock.
Wow.
What the fuck is that? Why are you doing that to your own people? And people really like you.
So that me dire,
Fuck him.
dis-moi son bagage. Est-ce que vous
I
pouvez
don't care
changer?
about Ali anymore.
Wow.
Fuck him.
I'm sorry about that.
I say fuck Ali La Rivière. I'm the one that said that. Fuck him again.
What's your name? What's your name?
I am Elvie Préval.
Wow, vous un peu lui.
Thank
Faut
you.
sentir bon.
Thank you, sir.
Ou habiller cher.
Thank you.
So, faut pas donner
And I come all the way to Los
monsieur.
Angeles to come in here.
Wow,
He
good.
does that every time. Last year we went to what's it called?
New York.
What's the Asian Compact? New Orleans.
Okay.
He did the same thing. The year before, he did the same. What the fuck is that? Every time is a problem of song.
Wow.
So you need to do better than that. Why are you doing that to Asian people? And they really like you.
That's what it's about.
Fuck him.
All right. So next time he will
Sorry,
do better,
sir.
I believe.
Sorry.
No problem, no problem.
It's everybody that say.
I see.
I'm saying it. Fuck that guy.
Wow. Boum, boum, boum. Et c'est comme ça y est là. Et Ali te venu jouer. Et il venu vraiment en retard. Et monsieur t'a supposé venir dans le ballon. Monsieur t'a supposé venir à 10h. Même ça, on check pour que fait à 10h. So, il y a des gens qui sont venus à 11h pour aller quand même venir. So, le ballon a commencé presque à 1h. Et à 2h, le ballon a fini. Puis le fanatique fâché. C'est la sécurité qui mène monsieur dans la chambre, ni là, dans l'hôtel, dans Stamford, Connecticut. Je dis, c'est 31 août, dernier jour de mes festival. Ali te venu jouer et Stamford, Connecticut. So, bah, la mal passé pour Ali. C'est un peu de sécurité qui mène monsieur, vous voulez battre monsieur parce que monsieur est venu vraiment tard. Vraiment, monsieur est vraiment venu tard, mais nous ne savons pas qui raison. So, nous avons cherché une raison. Bon, on va arriver, man.